So what I have in front of me right now is a very nice looking gas turbine in a large warehouse. And what I want to show you is how to create a group of the material of the outer skin and add some snapshots to change the opacity of that outer skin. There it is at 50%. And if I hit the off button, I've actually set it so it's just extremely low so that whoever's looking at this can tell there is something there. But of course you could set that off completely. This is something I often do if I'm creating a scene with a building. The brickwork, I'll do this same thing just so you can fly around the building and see the rooms inside. It only takes a couple of minutes to do this, so let's do that now. So the first thing I'm going to do is copy this group of buttons. If I hold down Shift, left click on there, it takes me to the buttons in the tree. Right click, copy, paste it into that stack. There it is. And I shall rename or change the text in all of these. Solid, X-ray, and off. So I could then rename them in the tree, and that is what I would do, and I recommend that you do that as well. Next thing, create a group of this outer material. If I hold down Control Shift, left click, takes me to the material, right click on that, add to group, new group, name that skin. That group should appear under all these other groups here. I can capture my first snapshot of the material how it is now, rename that solid. If I hit select up here, that selects all the members of the group. There is only one. 0.5. Back to the group. Capture my next snapshot. X-ray and do it again. I'm going to go 0.05 like I said. Down to the group. Off. Of course you could have any levels here. If there were two materials, you would just add the two materials. You would select them both, and then in the properties you could still change both of them at the same time. Okay, so we've got those snapshots. We now need to go back here in the developer tree. Under these there is an event on each one, a click event. At the moment it would fly us to somewhere, to a viewpoint. I need to remove that action and drag and drop the snapshots in here. I'll do it to all three. So the first one is solid. X-ray, and next event is off. So this just enables those snapshots when you click on here. There we go. I would then recommend changing these textures. So if we're on solid now, I can right click, change the browser icon to the current view. Let me just get nice and close. Set to current view. X-ray. Do the same for that. And if I double click off, same for that. So there we go.